Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refresh Google Finance in Google Sheets. If your Google Finance formulas aren't updating as often as you want, don't worry, there's a simple fix, and I'll walk you through it step by step. To start, open Google Finance in your browser and go to the Stock Portfolio or Watch List page. In the top right corner, click Sign In and choose your Google account. Being signed in helps sync your data properly with Google Sheets and prevents outdated results. Next, open your Google Sheet in a new tab. Before changing any settings, make a small edit in the sheet. Click on an empty cell, type something simple like Test, and press Enter. This helps trigger activity so you can confirm the refresh is working. Now, go to the top left corner and click on File, then select Settings. In the Settings window, open the Calculation tab. This is where you control how often your sheet updates. Under Recalculation, change the option from On Change to On Change and Every Minute. This setting allows your Google Finance formulas to update automatically every minute while the sheet is open. After that, click Save Settings to apply the changes. From now on, your data should refresh more frequently without needing to manually reload the page. Keep in mind that this works best when your spreadsheet is open in your browser, and sometimes there may be slight delays depending on market conditions. If you want to check that everything is working, just watch a price cell for a minute or make another small edit to trigger an update instantly. And that's it. Your Google Finance data will now stay fresh and updated with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.